Hello guys, today I'm here to unbox a new device pretty new to the Indian buyers and also new to the world, which is called Elephone P8. This Elephone device is a Chinese brand which can be accessed by many websites like pandawheel.com, efoxshop.com, and also its original website, that's elephone.hk, and that you are getting. I've got it in 10 business days from efoxshop.com. I've given the link below, you can check it out, and the price will be almost around below 10,000, 9,418 or 800, and with some shipping cost. I had an express delivery by DHL. You can also take it by airmail, registered airmail. It will be costing lower, so total, and the custom duty depends on the custom itself, so that cannot be guaranteed. I have paid almost 12 to 13,000 for this to get it in hand, but still it can vary from 10,000 to 13,000 according to the price. Now these are the outer covers. This is the inner one by DHL, within which I had this protective cover. This cover is really rigid, and during shipping it's very nicely packed. It's a very hard one, and no damage can be happening, any inconvenience happen to the packet. See, it's really hard, so keep these things out. Now I've unboxed it, so let's cut it down. This is our Elephone. Okay. You see, this is Eli branding, Elephone, and the packet is really looking nice. Some barcoding up here, and here it's written, keep expecting and be surprised. This is the brand line of elephone.hk. So let's now unbox it first. First of all, what you are getting is the phone itself. Let's unbox it. It's in a nice packet. So this one, it's a large device. Let's see. Okay, up here, and then this one you get. Yes, this is a screen guard that they have provided, and this is the smartphone instruction, a user manual, you can say. It's a pretty basic one. It's a very general one, in fact, I've seen. So what else? We have the USB cable, a charger cable, a USB cable, standard USB 2 cable, and earphone. It's pretty basic earphone. So about earphone, you may see that Samsung also provides earphones in two manners, like this one is pretty basic one, and this one, which is really the high quality one. So in many Samsung devices you will see this one, which is really cheap, but this one is really nice, giving you a better experience whenever you're listening by earphone. So this one is close to this one, similar like this. And lastly you have got this one, the adapter. So this is it. We don't have anything else. Okay. Now see the phone itself. It has got a protective cover, and which shows you a few basic details, like about the keys. See, the device is really nice, great looking device. It's available in white and black, two colors. On the back side you have the Eli branding, and sometimes somewhere you might also find out Elephone written over here. This device is almost 5.75 inch in diagonal size, the display size, and it's as an IPS display, full HD resolution in such a big device is really a matter of gaining something when you are concerned about movie watching or watching any videos in high definition. So let's move this protective cover. Before you see, this is the power button, and you have the home button. There are two touch capacitive buttons up here. You probably can't see them. You will see them once when you start the device. So menu key is here and back key is here. They are touch capacitive. There the volume rocker is up here, and you have got the front camera, which is 5 megapixel. HD is written up here, and there are many sensors. We have got the gyro sensor, the light sensor, motion sensor, accelerometer sensor. So all the sensors you might have heard probably is there in this device. On the back side, if you have a 13.3 megapixel HD camera capable of recording HD videos as well as nice photos that I'll show you later, with a good LED flash up here. And this is the 3.5mm jack for the earphone, and on this side you have the microphone and the USB port. So this one is the rear sound panning. So that's it. So let's open up this one. You see it's really black, it's a large device. The length is around 170, and you see the nice bezel up here. The thickness of this device is only 7.9 mm in fact. And so let's see how does it boot. But before booting, probably you should also see the back cover. The back cover gives you premium leather finish. It's nice looking and also handy. Have leather finish. You have stitched siding. So it looks really great. See, the joints are really nice. Give you a good way of opening it. The battery comes up inside, and you may open it up. You see the battery. See the battery. This is a 2800 milliampere hour. You see here, standard Elephone battery. It should be nice to have a good battery, because and it's also very thin to make the whole device really thin. So nice battery. These things are given with a seal whenever it comes in the phone. I've covered the seal to charge it up. Dual SIM device. You see two SIMs, and this is a two-story situation. Right side in the top you have got the micro SD slot, and the left side in the top you have got the micro SIM, and another one, a mini SIM. That is the second one is attached up here. You see the GPS. It has got a GPS and AGPS with a very accurate tracking method, and you have the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth hotspot, Bluetooth 4 technology, and GSM and WCDMA. That is giving you a very nice 2G and 3G coverages like Edge, GPRS, HSDPA plus coverage. And you have got the speaker up here, which provide you 3D sound. You see the 3D sound. Yes, it's written up here. Nice one. So make it back up again. Nicely fitted. Simple. So let's start it on and see how fast it boots up. This is the protective cover that I have not pulled down, because so really it boots fast. Let's see how it looks. Really nice. Full HD screen, pretty brilliant in look, and you might find out the viewing angles really good. You might find the viewing angles better if these things are light is off. You see, nice viewing angle from all sides. In fact, really nice. Very nice. One thing is really good thing that we have got a FM radio application, flashlight, you see, and these are very basic applications loaded. There are no unnecessary applications preloaded which might be bothering many consumers. And here you have the opportunity to have download from the Play Store, which is preloaded. Now you may check the camera. Before checking the camera, probably you would like to see how the gallery works. This one is the gallery. You might be able to see some pictures, like this few are caught in natural scenery, and like this one you might be able to see they're pretty clear, very clear in fact. Really nice. I captured them in some hilly region. They look great on the phone. See, you have a nice view of this large screen. So it's really fast, no problem. Okay, this one also have the air gestures, you see. So the sensors, the light sensors are really working nicely, and this is the kind of view you may have of your pictures. Okay, like this one, it's looking really great. Okay, so color reproduction is very nice. In the camera you will see it more. So like this one, see, such a nice looking device. Full HD. See the clarity, see the clarity level. I took it in Northern Hills. So let's check out the 50 videos. This is a grid view which you may change up to film strip view or whatever you need. Like if I find out this one, I played it once. This is pretty loud, the speaker. You find out it doesn't have any problem of playing the files, the bigger files like MOV, that's movie files, that MP4 files, MPG, WMV. and especially the MKV file format, which are very popular for high definition videos. Okay, find out this one. Saving quick. So that's it for the video section. Very nice. It's a large display and with a very thin black lining up there, showing you, giving you premium look. Very nice device running on Android 4.4.2. You can find out very simply by showing the menu button like this, and you go to the settings and you see the device information, the stock Android, and about phone. Find out the status, the information, model Elephone P8, Android version 4.4.2. So this is KitKat based on Android 4.4.2, which is very close to Android 4.4 devices. This is the one. You get the KitKat up here. So that's printing facility is given up. Developer options gives you many other silent features to be accessed. On the other side you have the SIM management. Okay, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, both are working really good. I have checked it out. Then the data usage, the flash alert, sometimes you get the alert about the SMS or the incoming calls sometimes. And the more you have got the network settings, which is very general one. The audio profiles give you this sound enhancement facilities for the earphone as well as the speaker. And also you see the display, the storage. The storage is very much important for you. The phone storage is actually divided into two. One is the around 1.5 GB or 1.14 GB, you see, where you have got the system placed up, and the other one is around 13 GB that you are getting to have your games or other applications installed. So it's a large one where I have already loaded it with pictures and videos. You see, now you see I have got a gesture sensing application, which may make it on, and you may opt with this phone in the gallery to move between the music and also the pictures in camera, and find out they are really doing the gesture sensing. Is really nice to see whenever you are watching out the gallery. Like you see, so such a large device which is very hard to show in a hand by in a camera. You see, so nice experience. So you see, let's check out the camera. So we've got a nice detailing, 13.3 megapixel camera. And see the camera, you have got the gesture sensing like this one, the HDR option. Whenever 2 is detected, a photo is clicked. So it's a very nice feature. It's detecting 2, it's clicking a photo. Really nice. So this is a nice thing to see. You see the selfie mode. This is getting me. You see, So it's speaking really fast and nice. You see, it's 5 megapixel front camera. And also give you more of the details. See the basic features all of here. No button on your hand, and you can modify it at your own expertise. And you have got a capability of installing specialized ROMs, custom ROMs like MIUI, which is coming up in my next video, how it looks in the new ROM. So it's really nice one. So that's it for now. Signing off. Bye bye.